It's a 2012 Nissan Murano. This crossover has a sleek design, comfortable interior, and plenty of power so you can be more than just a driver. You can be a host. It comes with great features you love. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, power liftgate, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth, and memory exterior door mirror settings. AutoWeek reports the engine has surprising power and the CVT worked quite well. While putting around, we didn't even notice the CVT. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.